Greetings, viewers. Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor, your go-to source for evidence-based beauty and wellness. Today, we're unveiling 5 natural and homemade secrets to enhance the beauty of your lashes. Let's get started. Our first homemade wonder is the castor oil lash serum. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon castor oil, ½ teaspoon coconut oil, optional. Combine castor oil with coconut oil for added nourishment. Using a clean mascara wand, apply the mixture to your lashes. Leave it on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Green tea eye compress. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag, 1 cup hot water, cotton pads. Steep the green tea bag in hot water and let it cool. Soak cotton pads in the cold green tea. Place the pads on closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Green tea's antioxidants promote healthier lashes and soothe the eye area. Aloe vera lash conditioner. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, optional. Mix aloe vera gel with vitamin E oil if using. Apply the mixture to your lashes using a clean mascara wand. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it off. Olive oil mascara remover. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon witch hazel, optional. Combine olive oil with witch hazel, if using. Dip a cotton pad into the mixture and gently wipe away the mascara. Olive oil nourishes your lashes while removing makeup. Egg white lash lift. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon glycerin, optional. Whisk the egg white until frothy. Add glycerin for added moisture, if using. Apply the mixture to your lashes with a clean mascara wand. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. There you have it, 5 homemade secrets to naturally beautiful lashes. Until next time, signing off from the Vitamin Doctor. Wishing you naturally stunning eyes.